Hey everybody, it's Tanya from Scrappychics.com, and today I am bringing you a project share and a quick tutorial. I am a creative partner with Kiwi Lane, and today I've used some of the Kiwi Lane templates to create these St. Patrick's Day embellishments. So I want to share this with you, and then I want to make one of these with you together. These are really quick. They come together very fast. So this one, I use the template Expression 6 as the background. So that's where this scallop comes from, was Expression 6. And then I also used the a la carte Cauldron to get the Pot of Gold. So that is one that I've made. Here's another Pot of Gold, and I did a small crepe paper rosette, a real tiny version of one. And then here's another one, and it says Hello Sweet Lady. And then I had these buttons in my stash, and I actually had this ladybug in my stash, because ladybugs are for luck, or lucky. When you see one, they're lucky. So I thought these were fun, and this was just a cute little embellishment that you can do for a layout or a card or a St. Patrick's Day paper crafting project. So I wanted to make one with you really quick. So I'm going to move these over to the side. And I already have my paper and my templates and all ready to go here. So I'm going to just go over how I make this with you. So I'm going to move these pieces out of the way, and we're going to work on one step at a time. And this is fairly easy. So I have a scrap piece of that black glitter. I love glitter. Anybody who knows me knows that. I like some bling. So we're just going to take our pencil, and we're going to trace out the a la carte Cauldron template. And this Cauldron template is great for Halloween as well. I used it a lot in my Halloween embellishments. So I have past tutorials on using this template as well. Okay, so then we're just going to take this and we're just going to cut this out. This is really easy. And you don't need a lot of templates to do this either. But the templates are great. And these projects that we make with these templates just look so nice. And it's a whole lot faster than dragging out a die cutting machine and having to set that up and do all that. I love the templates. Okay, so now we have our Cauldron. So now we're going to punch out some coins, or gold. And I just have this little pack of paper, and this actually came from Target. I think it was in their dollar spot. I got it at Christmas time. So I just have this little EK Success round punch, and we're just going to punch out a bunch. And they do go flying across your crafting space. That's okay. So you just want to punch out several pieces of gold. And you won't really, I didn't really count to see, because what I do is I eyeball this. And some of these went on the floor. That's okay. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and cut this out so I can punch out, so I can use all this paper. So I'm not really sure how many pieces I'm going to need. Okay, so I think that's going to be plenty of gold, and some of mine flew on the floor, so that's okay. All right, so now what you want to do is start placing your gold in your Cauldron. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Yes, I am. Okay, sorry about shaking the camera there. So I just take my wet glue, and then I just start building this. Now be mindful, this gold paper does not, how do I say this? When you get wet glue on it, it smears. So it does not do well if you end up smearing. So just use this. If you want to use tape runner adhesive, then you can. So basically you're just going to take these and you're going to build these and you just saw what I did, right? I glued the back side. That's okay. I can wipe it off. So you're just going to build this. And I like to do the back side. I mean, not the back side, the bottom. I like to build the bottom first, and then because when you do the bottom first, it gives you something to build off, because you want to build up height on this. And again, there's no rhyme or reason or method to what I'm doing. Some are high and some are down a little bit low. That's okay. And I've got a little bit of glue, so what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to get this off the back a little bit. I'm going to very carefully try and wipe this and not smear it too much. And as you see, I did smear that a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, excuse me. So we just keep building our gold. Putting our pieces on. And you don't have to use all of these pieces that you punched. And you just kind of fill it in where you feel like there are gaps. And this is one that the edge got cut off, but that's okay. You can still use that. You can stick it right there and you can't even tell that it's not a full round circle. And I see this is coming away just a little bit. So let's put that there. And I think I need, let's see. I'm going to hold that for just a second. So I'm going to give my art glitter glue time to adhere the pieces together. And let's see, I may want one more piece. I do. I want one more piece sticking out on this side. So just let your eye tell you how much you need to build up. Again, I don't count these. I don't take the time to count these. But your eye, the flow, will tell you. And if you feel like you need more, you can add more. But you get the general idea. So there's your pot of gold there. Then I have this cute little sentiment card. And what I think I'm going to do is glue this down on the front. It's really, really cute. It says, wishing you a pot of gold and all the joys your heart can hold. That's sweet. And this came out of that Doodlebug. It was a Doodlebug paper pad. And then I have some button embellishments. And I kind of, excuse me, want to eyeball my placement here of where I want these. And I think that's super cute. Okay, so let's adhere this down. This is going to hang off, so you don't need adhesive all the way around the back because it's going to hang off the edge. Let me move that over a little bit more. I had too much off the edge. There, you're going to glue down your button. I'm going to use my rainbow. And it takes it a few minutes for the art glitter glue to dry. So that's why I would recommend, let me wipe this off. I would recommend doing a low heat glue gun for these buttons, because it does take a few minutes for it to adhere with this. And we'll do the heart. And I didn't need this one. So here is your Cauldron embellishment. I think this is a super easy and fun embellishment to make. And you can see that my art glitter glue smeared on the gold paper, and that's okay. I have a little scraper tool, and you can even use your fingernail. It is scraping off. So what I'll do is I'll take my little scraper tool and scrape that off. But that is a sweet embellishment. So let me show you the other one again. So that's the other one. And I'm still liking the one with the ladybug. And then to take it to a whole new level, you can use that expression 6 as a base. So you can cut out your paper. And that art glitter glue is not dry yet. And you can put this on expression 6, and I think that makes a sweet embellishment as well. Thank you again for tuning in for another project share and quick tutorial, and I hope you have fun crafting your St. Patty's Day embellishments. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.